guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you're okay. Hey, izolo khona abantu abalale begula. Guys, I'm sure ukuthi lana ikhona nijabule niyafa into enibone izolo ePinetown kuphakela umthakathi back to the march. I'm sure ukuthi khona abantu abalale amaphilo emanzi inyembezi crying because they don't want to see this unity. They don't want to see South Africans coming together as one. They don't want to see our country progressing. I don't know why. What kind of a citizen ongafuna ukubona into enhle? I don't know what kind of a citizen ongafuna ukubona i-country yakhe iya phambili. So guys, I'm very happy. I'm very happy. I'm very proud of uJacinta nophakela umthakathi. I'm very proud of amaqhawe ethu onke, umyeni kaJacinta, a mayor of the escort, uMavava, bonke abantu aba-try their best ukuthi labantu laba bebuye bebe together. Oh, I'm proud of you guys. I'm proud of you patriot South Africans. Nina eningazange nibalahle, nina eningazange nathatha ama-sides ukuthi you are taking a side of uphakela umthakathi or you are taking a side of uJacinta. I'm very proud of you guys. You've shown ukuthi ni honest. You've shown ukuthi you care about your country. You've shown ukuthi ngempela uyafuna ukuthi izwe lakho lilunge. Angazi ukuthi ngizothini. I'm speechless. Even izolo bengifisa ukuthi if ngabe bengikhona ePinetown. Hey guys, I'm very excited for what I saw yesterday. Ngiyathemba ukuthi nani la nikhona guys, ama-patriots angempela nijabulile ukubona lento ibiyenzeka because I know ukuthi abantu ebebefuna ukuthi lento iqhubeke kube nokuxabana, abantu abangalithandi izwe, abantu ebebe-pretenda ukuthi ba ama-patriots bebe bengewona. So guys, let's continue to watch. Ramaphosa balale iy'nhliziyo zibuhlungu. Abantu abaningi nalabo-ke nje vele esibaziyo esingeke sibabize ngamagama, abaningi ababe-pretenda engathi lento bayayithanda bakhombisile bayivezile, they exposed themselves ukuthi kanti abafuni izwe lilunge, baphusha ipolitiki phambili, bathunywa ama-politicians ukuthi badestroye izwe labo. And I don't understand ukuthi umuntu onjani ovumela ama-politician, ama-billionaires and trillionaires ukuthi bevumele yena ukuthi amoshe izwe. Where are you going to run to? If you allow ama-politicians ukuthi adestroye izwe lakho, if you allow ama-politicians to use you ukuthi udestroye your own country with your own hands, Yileyo nto-ke mina engayi-understand about us South Africans ukuthi ungavumela ama-politicians, you can allow politicians to use you to destroy your own country with your own hands. And when I remember ukuthi lelizwe is the only place, is the only home you have. Ama-politicians are having houses all over the world. They can fly today, they can fly tomorrow. They have houses everywhere. Once they finish destroying this country, they can fly to all those places, to other countries where they have houses, where they have homes with their families. What about you? You are here forever. You are stuck in South Africa. You don't have any other home. You don't have any other place to run to. This is your only home. So guys, you don't have to allow our politicians ukuthi us destroy. You don't have to allow our politicians ukuthi us use destroy our own homes. You see what is happening in Limpopo. The Tonga group of people abamashayo abafighter ukuthi they are against what is happening. I don't see why bengazange bacele ukuthi kuhlalwe phansi kukhulunywe ku-understandwane as South Africans kunokuthi beyithathe ngale ndlela abayithathe ngayo, because everyone knows in this country ukuthi uNhlamulo Sambo akabulawanga amaZulu, akababulawanga iMarch and March. Kuyashiwo umuntu owambulala usejele, the owner of the shack oNhlamulo lapha babethi bayontshontsha khona. Everyone knows ukuthi uNhlamulo wabulawa yilowo muntu owayi-owner umkhukhu. I don't even know why they are insisting ukuthi uNhlamulo wabulawa amaZulu, wabulawa iMarch and March. I don't really understand. And nathi siyakuvumela lokho ukuthi adlale ngathi ama-politicians asise phansi naphezulu. Guys, wake up. Be wise. Ama-politicians ayohlezi ama-politicians. Do you remember the time kubekwa i-igwe kuGompo ukuthi saphakama sonke as South African citizens, safighter for amakhosi wethu ukuthi what is going on? How can you come and coronate your own king in a foreign country? This is our country, we have our own kings. Kwakusho thina ama-citizens ase-South Africa silwela ama-kings ethu. Bukani ukuthi amakhosi ethu enzani, ayahamba manje aya ko-Zimbabwe, ko-Malawi to beg the same people esicomplaina ngabo ukuthi basithathele imisebenzi, badestroy iy'ngane zethu, benza zonke lezi zinto. Bayahamba bona bayoncenga labo bantu, bayokhuluma izinto zokuthi akuxatshanwa, thina vele sibafuna abantu bakithi, kumele sifundiswe ukuthi singazondi abantu bakithi base-Afrika. Nizwile inkosi yase-Eastern Cape ukuthi itheni mayifika eZimbabwe, ifike yablame thina ama-South Africans ebesibalwela thina. And remember ukuthi thina uma sifelwa yingane ema-tuckshop, iy'ngane ey'hleli phansi kwama-bridge, kwenzeka zonke izinto esibhekana nazo thina as umphakathi wase-South Africa. Amakhosi awasho lutho, awacomplain, ngeke uwezwe ekhuluma 1 or 2 amakhosi aqosha ama-tuckshop, ama-foreigner ey'ndaweni zawo. Amakhosi amaningi, they don't care. If kufika ingane, amaphoyisa amakhosi awanankinga. If iy'ngane y'hleli phansi kwama-bridge zitrafikwa, kwenzeka yonke lento eyenzakala esicomplaina ngayo, amakhosi ethu awasho lutho. But thina uma besey'nkingeni, we jump and assist them. Even our president, during the time of uTrump noRamaphosa bexabana kwenzeka izinto, wonke umuntu wayesebaleke, even foreign nationals okuyibona abadepende kumaphilisi nani eSouth Africa, they were laughing at us, but thina we were there for uRamaphosa. Wonke umuntu wayemjikela. Silwa sixabana nama-Afrikaner, siblame o-AfriForum ukuthi why bekhuluma kanjena kabi, lezi zinto azenzeki. We were there for uRamaphosa, we were there for our president. But yena, if usibhekene ney'nkinga, he's never there for us. Akekho nathi, uyasilahla each and every time thina sibhekene ney'nkinga. Why sivumela zonke lezo zinto? Guys, be wise, be wise. So guys, those who doesn't know the young guy on the left hand side of uPhakile Mthakathi, that's his son, indodana yakhe uPhakile Mthakathi leyo. Aseyasebenza ama-South Africans asenamabhizinisi, even though bebathreatenisha bethi bazobabulala. Baningi ama-South Africans, ngibonile ivideo engipostile ekuseni ukuthi ama-South Africans arana ama-tuckshop, arana ama-salons, ayasatshiswa ukuthi azobulawa. Abanye-ke nje vele sebeyabulawa. I hope you guys heard ukuthi kunemember ye-March and March ebulewe. So-ke nje guys, singakhohlwa ukuthandaza, thina esithandazayo singakhohlwa ukuthandaza. Sithandazele wonke ama-patriots, sithandazele i-safety, sithandazele ukuvikeleka, sithandazele ukuphepha, sithandazele la sihamba khona ukuthi nje sihleze njalo sivikelekile. Nalabo abathi basibophela uzulu, nalabo abaplana izinto ezimbi ukuthi lapho sivela khona bazokwenza izinto angeke kuze kwenzeke, uNkulunkulu uzoba nathi. So guys, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.